Hey guys, what's up? It's Assassinathan here. I just had a shower, and I started having like a sneezing fit, and I just kept sneezing, and then I was thinking, like, when you're about to sneeze, it's like it's coming out with um, like it's super strong force, and it's so you're like about to sneeze, right? You're like, and then when you're sneezing, your head you're like, and you can't keep your eyes open because you're sneezing, right? Like you're and do you notice that you're have you I like have you ever noticed that when you're sneezing and you're going in, you like you sneeze into your elbow also. It's more hygienic. See, if I were to sneeze into my elbow, right, then I can shake your hand right after because I didn't sneeze on my hand. That's gross. It's there's germs that like get on your hand. So I was, like I said, I was having a sneezing fit, and I noticed that when you're sneezing, when you're going like, you know, your head kind of jiggles like back and forth really quickly, and I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. But then like I said, I was having a sneezing fit, and it kept happening. So I mean, have you ever noticed this when you're sneezing? So just next time you sneeze, just be aware of your head. Like, see if you go like, um, it's super subtle, and it's super quick. But you're going, if you sneeze into your hand, that's gross. But okay, so your head will just like shake back and forth a little like that. If you do notice it, like, comment, subscribe, and say something in the comments below, and I'll answer those the next time I make a video about sneezing, if I do. I just want to tell you guys a bit about the sneeze I had. It was a sneezing fit. It wasn't just one sneeze. It was a sneezing fit. So yeah, let me know what you think about sneezing in the comments below, and it's Assassinathan here again, just in case you missed it. Yeah. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, you should, if you want. I'm doing extra life 2015. It's November. Hang on, November the hang on. I gotta get my calendar. That's not gonna open the calendar, is it? That's the weather. How do I where's a calendar on this thing? I can't find a calendar. I think it's November 7th. I want to say it's sometime in November. I'll post the date down below, and you can you check it out, and come hang out on my Twitch stream. That'll be below too. It's a good time, I think. If you want to watch some games. I don't wear the top hat usually when I'm streaming because I usually have my headset on. That my hat can't fit over I guess I could maybe wear it sideways, but then it'll like fall off. So anyway, thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to talk about sneezes, and stay fresh.